welcome to the sound of Bitcoin. As you can tell by now, sound is one of the most important things in user experience, and it will be even more important in the near future. If you don't believe me, ask Siri or Alexa. In fact, studies show that by 2022, most users will be interacting with their devices without even looking at their screens. Sound will be the new touch. Close your eyes and let me show you what I'm talking about.
I'm loving it.
Well, I bet you've recognized all those brands with your eyes closed, or at least not seeing them. The thing here is Bitcoin is completely silent. How can that be? Not even a sound when interacting with your crypto? When sending or receiving them? When making transactions? Shame on us. We are the Bitcoiners, the revolutionary community that represents the future of the economy. We can't stay silent. This is a problem we need to start solving right now because sound is already crucial for fintech brands. In the last year, MasterCard, Visa, and HSBC have developed full audio branding strategies, including sonic logos, transaction sounds, and custom libraries. We, the future of all currencies, can't be left behind by these old brands. This is how a MasterCard transaction sounds like. This is how an Apple Pay transaction sounds like. This is how Visa sounds like when making a payment. And this is how a Bitcoin transaction sounds like. Well, those crickets are obviously not a transaction sound. If we want to get this community bigger and bigger, we need to make people feel safe in their transactions. We need a sound that represents us, that catches the attention of anyone listening to it, and creates an emotional bond between Bitcoiners and their Bitcoins. Bitcoin's transaction sound could be the first step for all these amazing things. Help us spread the word. Tell your friends. Share this site with people. Let's do it all together like the amazing community we are. Now, please open your eyes and sign up here to get this project started.